Everybody spoke your name. Emotional. I don't think they heard you, man. Emotional. Who's the best rapper around? Emotional. Who's the new killer in town? Emotional.
Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Emotional, and guess what?
I'm back.
And I'm better than ever. What's good, YouTube? I'm your sultan of sexy. You know where the best be. It's me. Can't you see I'm fresh and so clean? Nah, I mean. And today, about to check out a request that was sent to your boy via my comment section for, I think the name is Dimash All by Myself. I've never heard of this artist before. This is the first time hearing him. I want to hear this premium, you know what I'm saying? Because I know y'all don't send nothing that ain't premium across my desk, you know what I'm saying? So, we gonna go ahead and dive straight into it. I just got for 1, 2, 3 things. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we are the sexy, the best looking family in the tube. Turn your post notifications on so you can activate your sexy, and then go ahead and hit that like button on for a dash of more premium level sex appeal. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. This is Dimash All by Myself. Y'all know what I like to do. Hit them with that what? Hit them with that who? I'm about to watch this video with you in
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And making love was just for fun. Thus they go.
You got the ladies, my brother. You got the ladies looking at you like this. You know what I'm saying? The ladies was on you, my boy. The ladies like what you doing, my brother. The ladies like what you got going on, my brother. Okay.
Think of all the friends I know, but when I dial the telephone, nobody's home.
Okay. What else? Okay. So I'm assuming this is like a competition type situation. Is this a competition type thing? You know what I'm saying? Because that's kind of what it looks like. Because it's kind of like dude backstage like, dang. He just won. Oh well, it be like that, dude. Yeah, bask in it. Oh, he's swag. He's like, yeah. Was that a background singer or was that somebody backstage or something like that? Because I'm like, my dog was into it, bro. He was like, all by myself. And looking like me when I'm in the shower singing, you know what I'm saying? Oh, but I'm crazy. Okay. Yeah. He got everybody singing that mug, dog. Yeah. You got him about to cry, my brother. You got him tearing up a little bit back there, you know what I'm saying? Okay, yeah, sing that music, you know what I'm saying? He's in awe. He said I had to bring it back. Ooh, that guitar riff. Mm. So he was up here the majority of it. Then he brought it down a peg. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I got an itch. I got an itch. I'm sorry. I had an itch. Don't judge me. Come on. Yeah, I got chills. I got chills. I'm glad I got a jacket on. Okay. Oh. Oh. Yeah. 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 My dog, breathe. Do anybody that y'all send me know how to breathe? This is literally what goes through my mind as they're holding the note.
Much later.
Because I'm like, dog, like, how long you gonna hold it? Like, it literally looks like Michael Jordan in Space Jam. That's how long they held the note. Like, that's crazy, bro. My dog is like that. I like him, bro. I like him a lot. Yes. Wait. Oh, flex on him. Mm-hmm. What in the Prince did you send me? What in the Blue Jay? What in the Prince? The Maxwell? What in the high voice did you send me? My dog literally is. My dog literally went Mariah Carey with that high note, bro. I'm like, is that even humanly possible for a man to hit that note, bro? That's not natural, bro. That's not safe, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, like, nah, bro. No, bro. I lost a lung because I felt like I had to give it to him so he could hit that note, bro. Because that's crazy that he hit that. My dog, I gotta hit that Lee K. Buttigieg because my dog is tough, bro. My dog is goated, bro. But that's all I got, dog. And I'm going to get up out of here. And I know y'all want to continue this vibe with your boy. I say with your boy. Continue to activate your section to the first of the premier level. And I knew you don't want to do this.
Lois, let me handle this. Chris, I'm going to say this in a way an Italian mechanic would understand. You're breaking your mother's heart.
So since you don't want to break your mother's heart or mine, leak A, comment, and subscribe. Hey. Turn your post notifications on. I'm emotional, and I am gone all by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself. You can go now. I'm having my moment. Oh,
Came to get down. You know that I came to get down. Came to get down. Me and my squad, we came to get down. Came to get down. You know that we came to get down. Came to get down.